everyone, I'm Miss Alice and I'm at Learn and Play Montessori School, the Niles campus in Fremont, and I am excited today to do another lessons with you because you guys know I miss you guys so much and I'm always looking forward to doing something with you guys on a day-to-day basis. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/Learn and Play Montessori School. Don't forget to ask mommy and daddy to click on the bell icon so you can get reminders of all the upcoming videos that's coming. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. You're going to get to see a lot of different teachers. We all miss you so much and we hope you guys are staying safe inside your home and having fun learning. Yep. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, we're going to learn of 3-letter words. It's anything you can find at home as well. You can do this at home and you can either spell out the words with letters or you can write down the words or write down the letters to create words. And this is something fun you can do with mommy and daddy. Okay, so what you can do is you can have objects or you can have picture cards that mommy and daddy can look up, and then you have your letters. Okay, so let me show you. And this you can do with children ages 4 and older or who've already knows all the phonetic sounds and are ready to move forward with 3-letter words. So this is a pan. P, A, A, P, N, pan. So pan, P, A, N, pan. Cat, k, k, cat. Cat, k, at, cat. I'm going to show you one with pictures. Oh, sorry. Tag. Tag. And these are the materials that we use at our school at Learn and Play that your kids may be familiar with, but you don't have to have these. You can use a blank piece of paper, you can use a whiteboard, you can use a chalkboard, you can find, like, you can have a can at your house, you know, put a can, and then your kids would just write can. They can do it like that. Okay. Well, thank you for joining with me in another exciting video. And there's more videos to come, so please don't forget to check in with us on a day-to-day basis. Thank you and have a great day.